So I don't want to sell you on anything, but I want to give you 3 reasons why I use grow lights and they have leveled up my indoor plant game, and maybe you should too. What's going on? My name is Gerard. I am an exotic plant collector with a capital C. I have been using this channel for quite some time to document my plant experience with all of my plants. I've even started a business selling my collection, and I use this channel just to talk all about that. Maybe something from this channel can help you on your plant journey. That is my wish, and that's what keeps me making these videos. So if this is the first time you've seen my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. I just talk about plant care, indoor plants, things like that, even outdoor plants. I have a lot of outdoor plants I want to show you, but I have 3 reasons why you want to consider using indoor grow lights. So let's just get into it. Number 1, you may have windows, you may have great lighting. I have a window, actually, I'm using it right now. See this right there? This is that. I have a long window. It's about, I want to say 4, maybe 5 foot. So I used to have my plants right here, but this couch, if you're looking at this couch, the couch has taken place of my plants. So with that said, I have a plant room. I have a room not dedicated to plants, but a section of that room has a bunch of my plants. Now, I don't have the same lighting that I have down here, which would be great, but since I've moved upstairs, I have really liked to have, it has expanded my collection because now I have more room and more area, and I'm not restricted on the space that I have to grow my plants. So that's the main thing. Like, some windows just might be a good reason because you don't have to pay for electric, which is also a good reason not to get any plants and to use natural light. But sometimes we want to put plants in other locations that aren't too close to lights or your natural light or a window or a door or something like that. So you want to put it somewhere in a corner, like over there. Like, that's okay corner. I have actually a plant like over there, but it's not getting too much light. But like, say if I wanted to put a plant like right there, wouldn't be a great spot because it has like a big distance, and I have these curtains, and these curtains close from time to time, so those curtains aren't always open. So that would also restrict and decrease the growth of any plants that I want to put in this area. So if I had grow lights, I could put grow lights there, I could put grow lights over there, I could just put grow lights everywhere, and I can run them just like that and grow plants over there. So that's reason number 1. Grow lights, indoor grow lights will give the benefit, give benefits to you putting in other places. Number 2, really, grow lights give your plants. Right now I have a sunny day, but sometimes it rains, sometimes it's cloudy. Then in the winter, I'm not getting a lot of sun over here, so I'm having a fluctuation of lighting. So grow lights, right now, it's during the day, my grow lights would be running, but my grow lights run from, like, they don't stop, keep going. There's no sun, there's no cloudy days. They get the same amount of energy all the time. My plants love them because they keep getting closer and closer. I can tell by the spacings. My plants go upright. They don't go on an angle. They're not reaching for light. So that's another plus, is what I'm trying to say, is they consistently get great lighting. That's a bonus for grow lights because you put them on a timer and they run all the time. So I do mine, I think it's 12 hours or 8 hours of indoor light, and it's nonstop. Like today, I actually have a dark day. I have started to turn off the lights because not to save energy, because I just thought it would be good to do, just to give a plant a dark day, just to make sure that, you know, it doesn't have to get light all the time, just to kind of, I don't know, not spoil my plants a lot, just to let them know that sometimes the sun don't shine. Just, it'll get, there's some ambient light from the windows, but they just, I don't know if I'm the only one who does that. If you do have, if you have a dark day, or if you even have a dark day, your grow rooms, let me know, because I just turn off the lights for like one day, and then I'll put the timer back on. But I like doing dark days. So that's just me talking all out. Let's talk about the next reason why I like grow lights. Well, the last reason is because grow lights have become very efficient. Some of them aren't, but some of them are. Pretty much 99% of all my grow lights are. I do have solar panels on my house, but the consumption of my grow lights, even though I have so many, is not that much because they're LEDs. Now, if you have one grow light, that's even, you know, if you're just starting out, you have one grow light, you can take it how far ever you want to take it. You don't have to get a ton of grow lights, but it may save you some energy if you get an grow light. So that's the third thing. Just the power consumption is super less than growing from older lights like metal halides or other incandescent lights. LEDs are the best option for right now. So that's pretty much all I got for you. Those are my 3 reasons why I really have come to enjoy having indoor grow light. I think they help my plants even look a lot better. They promote a lot of variegation. And like I said, I'm not restricted. I could put, like, they're all in one space. And this video is non-sponsored. I have been giving grow lights from indoor plant grow lights, but this is a non-sponsored video. But thanks for watching. Tell your plants I said what's up, and keep growing.